So we cleaned the line, had accumulation of a lot of toilet paper, all stuck and wadded together. So we got it clean, we flushed out. I just flushed a bunch of toilet paper, so I want to see what it does. See if there are any bellies in the line, any issues. Notice a belly. You notice toilet paper sitting there. That's part of your problem. Sitting there right there. So it's holding water. So you have a belly in this line. See that toilet paper? The question is, did this just happen? Or has it always been like that and it just finally caught up to you? So this looks like there's a T right here. When you have a T in a line that toilet flushes, it's not directional. So if you notice, I pulled back. Half of the stuff goes the wrong way. Half goes the right way. Then the stuff that goes the wrong way kind of drifts. This has a belly in it. It's holding. Half the pipe is not draining properly because the fall is not correct. That's toilet paper. Nothing's blocked. It's just holding. It's got a big belly. Toilet paper. Belly. Belly. Now, we're out of the belly. Out of the belly. Just sitting there. I'm pushing it along. Water-saving toilets tend to do this. I will talk to you about your toilets. You got a lot of belly. Sorry, the camera. I didn't reset that. I'm going to go about another belly. Nothing in the way, just a belly. Just sitting there. The sewer goes out towards the warehouse. It's not. I didn't reset the timer. I pushed it about 105 feet. Got some turns in it. So the line is not clogged. But it has the potential to clog again because of those bellies. Belly. Now I'm going to turn on some water. Turn on some water so I can push it. Help me push it. The line is not blocked. Sorry, I didn't reset the counter, but we'll push it about 100 and some feet. I'm flowing water from the mop sink and the laundry room. You know that toilet paper. Again. There you go. It was sitting there, but I'm running water. That's why it's going down now. I'm going to reset this counter so we know how far we are when we pull it back. pull it back. So we're not backed up, we got good flow. It's that belly. And I also don't like how those toilets are flushing. See all that? Now I shut the water off. We're going to see what sits, what doesn't sit. Nothing in the spine, it's just the belly. Long belly. So we're getting ready to come out. We were about 90 feet in this pipe that puts us in the warehouse. So 2 issues I found today is the belly holding toilet paper, and it doesn't appear that your flush thermometers are flushing your toilets very well. This concludes the video.